You don't have a favorite?
No,
Say it.
there's
You
no.
can say it out loud. I won't get mad. Come on. Be honest here. I don't know if horchata has a contender or not, but I'm sure this recipe is going to put up a fight to whatever your favorite drink is. Horchata is Mexico's top, most favorite agua fresca, and it starts with 1 cup of long grain rice. Pour it into a strainer, that way we can easily rinse it and drain all of the water. Rinsing helps us get rid of that excess starch. Now place it inside a container. Add in 1 stick of cinnamon. Measure out 2 cups of hot boiling water and carefully pour it in so that it covers the rice completely. Cover it with plastic wrap because this is gonna soak in the water for about 4 hours, or even better, you can leave it overnight. I prepped some rice last night. It is ready. All we have to do is blend it until it is completely broken down. Look at this right here. Ooh, it smells like horchata already. The essence, the flavors are already there. This is the base. Strain it, although I think my blender did a pretty good job. Horchata is creamy and delightfully rich, and that comes from 12 ounces of evaporated milk, half a cup of whole milk, and 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Now, regular sugar is a no-no for me, but I worked really hard to crack the code to making the best version of sugar-free condensed milk, and ta-da, here it is. We did it. Now you can find the full recipe on villacocina.com if you're interested. Add 2 teaspoons of a good vanilla extract and mix to combine. Ooh, this looks so creamy, and you know it's coming from those milks, especially that condensed milk. When it's being made, as it reduces down, it really intensifies those milky flavors that are perfect for horchata. Lastly, add in 4 cups of water. Mix to combine and taste. If needed, you can add sugar to your liking. Enjoy ice cold. I personally like to add the ice straight into the glass because I find that as time passes by, it tends to dilute the water. So I don't want it to dilute the entire drink, but it is up to you. You can also add it straight into the pitcher. Okay, let's do a dab of ground cinnamon right on top for a personal touch. Just taste. You just have to be there, don't you?
Nothing like horchata in the middle of recording.
Cheers. So good. Takes me back to Mexico.
Takes me back to recording.
And as if that was not delicious enough, let's add strawberries. Ooh, I'm thinking about it. Strawberries, cream, rice. Oh, sounds amazing. Start by blending the soaked rice. Strain it into the pitcher. Oh my goodness, this part always gets me. That smell, the aroma. I am going to be using 1.5 pounds of very clean strawberries. Just remove that green part. Roughly cut them. They don't have to be perfect because they are going to get blended. And add them into the blender.
I'm out of horchata.
Don't worry, strawberry horchata is coming right up. Also add in 4 cups of water.
Out of a fancy gallon.
Right? Hey, a girl's gotta do what she's gotta do, right? Now just blend it until it is completely smooth. And we're pouring into the pitcher. You know the drill. 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 14 ounces of my proudly homemade sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of whole milk, and a few dashes of the vanilla, which by the way is 2 teaspoons. Mix that to combine, and look at this gorgeous pink color. Remember to adjust sweetness to your liking by adding a little bit more sugar if needed. That's a lot of horchata, huh? I had to keep it in 2 containers. Same thing, serve it over ice. And top it with a few diced strawberries. I am ready to taste. Come on, Nelson, because I'm already picking through the strawberries on top.
I brought the classic one.
Why is that?
I want to make sure I know which one is my favorite today.
Oh, wow. That is a strong statement.
We're going to set
I'm
that
all
for
about
the
it.
record.
I'm all about it. Let's do this. So delicate.
So delicious.
Oh my goodness. This just... Okay.
Wait. I got to do this one.
Oh my goodness. I think, for me, this kind of tastes like ice cream. I don't know. I can't choose, obviously.
Alright, we can make both.
You don't have a favorite?
No,
Say it. You
no.
can say it out loud. I won't get mad. Come on. Be honest here to the viewers.
I go for the classic one.
There you go. Classic horchata. It's popular for a reason.
Let's call it a tie.
Right?
You're going for the strawberry one. I'm going for the classic one.
There you go. I like the ending. It's good.
Yes.
All right, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember that the full recipe is going to be available on villacocina.com. I can barely talk now. And don't forget that you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. Give this video a like, and until the next one, bye.